Yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Kraken's risk management features in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time, so you know what, let's just jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Kraken account, which you can do on Kraken's website. So go on Kraken's website and log into your account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to navigate to the trading page by clicking on the trade tab. So click on trade tab, it's going to take you to the trading page, and then you just select the cryptocurrency pair that you want to trade. And once you've selected that from the list of available options, just choose the risk management feature, such as the stop loss or take profit order. You can use all those to minimize your risk. So go ahead and choose the risk management feature, and then you're going to set the risk management parameters. So you can set the parameters such as the stop loss price, or it could be the take profit price. So set those parameters, and once you're done with that, you can enable the risk management features to start managing risk. At any point in time, if you want, you can monitor the risk management features, just to ensure that it's working properly. That's pretty much it on how to use Kraken's risk management features in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys